What's up, guys? It's been a minute since I posted a video, so I thought I'd throw one up. This is a compilation of LS7 Z06 sounds from my buddy's black Z06 that we did some work on a few videos back. And he decided to sell the car, so like any good buddy, I'm gonna make him regret that decision. I'm just gonna throw a couple videos up. The first one is how the car sounded when it just had an exhaust, and then the next one is with an X-pipe and the headers we installed in that video a few videos back. And then lastly, he had a cam installed and then had a dyno tuned at a local shop. So that was the last iteration. The C6 Z06 was a pretty badass car, and my friend's in the market for a new car. What do you guys think he should get now instead of a C6 Z06? If you have any suggestions, put them in the comments below. I'm working on a couple other projects. I'm working on the Miata behind me. I'm putting in a Mega Squirt, so that's a standalone ECU, getting it ready for the track season. I'm also going to be working on my 4Runner. I have a U-joint steering shaft that I'm installing, and that's just maintenance on the 4Runner. So I'll be posting that kind of stuff. Just some future content coming soon. Enjoy the video. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for tuning in.